In this video, I'll show you how to clear your Facebook search history so your past searches are removed from the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the top of the screen, tap the search icon to open the search page. Once the search page opens, you will see your recent searches listed on the screen. Look for the Edit option next to the Recent Searches section and tap on it. This will take you to your full search activity page. Here you can see all the profiles, pages, and topics you have searched for. If you want to remove individual searches, tap the X next to any item to delete it. If you want to clear everything at once, tap the Clear Searches option at the top of the page. Facebook will ask you to confirm the action. Tap Clear Searches again to remove your entire search history. Once it's done, your previous searches will no longer appear in the search bar suggestions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.